Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are calling all milkshake lovers of all ages. Remember those childhood days of epic milkshakes? Today we are bringing back the fun with a mango milkshake with vanilla ice cream. That's the perfect blend of creamy nostalgia and tropical flavor. We are combining the luscious sweetness of ripe mangoes with the rich creaminess of vanilla ice cream to create a milkshake that's both familiar and exciting. Get ready for a symphony of flavors, a burst of mango sunshine balanced with both smooth vanilla ice cream. Every sip is a delightful contrast of textures and pure summery bliss. So ditch the boring drinks and unleash your inner child within this irresistible mango and vanilla ice cream milkshake. If you are new on this channel, then please hit that subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of the new upload. Let's get blending. So first take a mixer jar, add 1 cup fresh mangoes, then add 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream, add 1 tablespoon sugar, add 1.5 cup cold milk, add 1 pinch green cardamom powder and blend this until it is nice and smooth. As you see, it is perfect thickness for milkshake. Make sure it is something like this. And there you have it guys, the ultimate summer dream come true. A mango and vanilla ice cream milkshake. Look at that vibrant color and those creamy swirls of vanilla ice cream. Every sweep is an explosion of tropical mango flavor, perfectly complemented with the smooth sweetness of vanilla. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious and refreshing summer recipes like this one. If you are looking for a vegan option, you can easily substitute the ice cream with frozen bananas or coconut milk ice cream. Oops, almost forgot. For an extra flavor boost, you can add a squeeze of fresh lime juice also. Now go forth and cool down with this epic mango and vanilla ice cream milkshake. Until next time, happy blending. Bye.